Hello everyone. I'm excited to tell you about this beautiful 400-page hardcover filled with easy-to-understand text and gorgeous illustrations. It's called The Book, The Ultimate Guide to Rebuilding Civilization. It's a #1 bestseller with tons of positive reviews, and I can see why. The concept of the book to consolidate general knowledge of all the key inventions made throughout the Earth's history. There's just the right amount of information to both educate and entertain. If some monumentous event caused civilization to take a tumble, this book would be an excellent reference to help give us a leg up to begin to reinvent and rebuild much of the knowledge and functionalities we've taken for granted in our lives on Earth. Of course, it's likely we won't need to rely on this book, but it's so entertaining and interesting to read through these topics. And the illustrations are simply gorgeous. The book would look lovely on your living room coffee table. Place it somewhere where your family members and guests can pick it up and learn something fascinating. It's a great conversation starter. Or, make a new family tradition of reviewing one topic a night before watching TV. There's a great table of contents so each family member can quickly select a topic that they are most interested in. Let's look more closely, so you get a feel for the level of detail and tone of this awesome artifact. Where to look for water. The easiest place to find water is where the soil is loose. Try digging under dry river beds. Midges and mosquitoes tend to swarm around groundwater. To stave off thirst until you find water, drink the juices of trees or plants, but check the section on how to know if a plant is poisonous first. Wow! This section will help you reinvent the light bulb. Throughout the book, you'll see references to other sections that have related topics when an invention relies on multiple combined solutions to function. Here's a fun topic for the adults. How to make alcohol for consumption as well as for disinfectant and fuel purposes. This illustration includes numbers that refer to descriptions of how this purifying machine works. Simply fascinating. Oh, I'm definitely going to go back and study this section carefully. We can't have a civilization without chocolate. That simply would not do. This book is just fascinating. I'm going to curl up with a nice cup of tea and immerse myself in all of humankind's ingenious and fascinating inventions. This book would make a wonderful gift for both students and adults of all ages. It would be a marvelous housewarming gift. This is a book that will keep you, your friends and your family captivated for hours. Enjoy. And ta-ta for now.